This video will show you the two minor chord inversions and how to construct them. To begin, we need to understand what a minor chord is. A minor chord is constructed with three notes. This is known as a triad. The notes used are the first, minor or flat third, and the fifth interval from the major scale. The first note is also known as the root note. This is where the chord gets its letter name from. If you need some help with these and other chord concepts, then there are videos linked in the description below to help you. So what are minor chord inversions? In the standard minor chord, the first note, also called the root note, is the lowest note in the chord. You could also call this the bass note. We then stack the minor third and fifth notes above this in order. So from lowest to highest pitch, we go first, minor third, and then fifth. If we rearrange this order, so the lowest bass note is no longer the first note, then we create an inversion. You do not need to know any new notes. We use exactly the same notes as the standard minor chord. This idea may be confusing. Once we get to some examples, it should become clearer. When we rearrange our minor chord notes, we are able to create two inversions by using the minor third and fifth notes as the lowest bass note. The minor chord first inversion is when we place the minor third note as the lowest bass note in our chord. The order of the first and fifth notes above this are not important. So from lowest to highest pitch, it could be minor third, first, fifth, or minor third, fifth, first. The minor chord second inversion is when we place the fifth note as the lowest note in our chord. Again, the order of the first and minor third note above this do not matter. So from lowest to highest pitch, it could be fifth, first, minor third, or fifth, minor third, first. Let's clarify this with an example. We'll use A minor here. The notes are A, C, and E. For our first inversion, we need the minor third note on the bottom, so we can go C, A, E, or C, E, A. For the second inversion, we need the fifth note on the bottom, so that means E, A, C, or E, C, A. If this video has helped you in any way, we would love it if you liked the video and subscribed to the channel, and keep watching to learn about the quality and feel of minor chord inversions. So you appreciate the difference, we'll now play the full chords back. Let's now discuss the feel of minor chord inversions. Compared to the major chord, a minor chord is sadder or more melancholic. This is because of the minor third note, which brings us this quality. If we use this minor third note as the lowest note and create a minor chord first inversion, then we intensify this minor quality. It can also create a feeling of wanting to move or resolve to the next chord. A minor chord second inversion, with the fifth note as the lowest note in the chord, can be thought of as darker or more foreboding than the straight minor. Click on this playlist to improve your chord knowledge.